If you are using Relay Bank for your business, and you are wondering how to deposit cash into your Relay account, you are not alone. This is one of the most common questions new Relay users ask, especially business owners who still receive physical cash from customers. In this video, I will explain clearly how cash deposits work with Relay Bank, what options are available, what Relay does not support directly, and the best practical alternatives you can use to get cash into your Relay business account without stress. First, it is important to understand how Relay Bank operates. Relay is a digital business banking platform. It does not have physical branch locations. Because of this, Relay does not support direct cash deposits in the traditional sense. You cannot walk into a Relay branch or ATM and deposit physical cash directly into your Relay account. Now, that does not mean you cannot fund your Relay account with cash at all. It simply means you need to use indirect but reliable methods. The most common and practical method is using a third-party bank or credit union. Here is how it works. You take your cash to a traditional bank where you already have a personal or business account. You deposit the cash into that account. Once the cash reflects in that bank account, you then transfer the money to your Relay Bank account using ACH transfer or bank-to-bank transfer. Relay supports incoming ACH transfers, and this is the method most business owners use. It is secure, traceable, and works well for ongoing cash funding needs. Another option is using a cash-to-card or cash-to-bank service. Some retail locations and financial service providers allow you to load cash onto a debit card or deposit cash into a linked bank account. Once the funds are available, you can move them to your Relay account through an electronic transfer. Availability depends on the provider, so you should always check fees and processing times before using this option. You can also deposit cash using money orders. With this method, you purchase a money order using cash from an authorized provider. Then you deposit that money order into a bank account that supports mobile or in-branch deposits. From there, you transfer the funds into Relay. This approach is slower but can be useful if you do not want to handle large amounts of cash directly. It is important to note that Relay does not accept cash deposits through ATMs, retail stores, or cash deposit networks. If you see any service claiming to deposit cash directly into Relay, you should be cautious and verify it properly. For businesses that handle cash regularly, the best long-term solution is to maintain a secondary traditional bank account specifically for cash deposits. You can treat that account as a cash intake point and then move funds to Relay for expense management, payments, and bookkeeping. Relay is designed mainly for digital transactions, ACH payments, wire transfers, and card-based spending. It works best when paired with electronic income streams or a structured cash handling system. Before choosing a method, always consider transfer limits, fees, and processing times. ACH transfers are usually free or low cost, but may take 1 to 3 business days. Faster transfer options may come with additional fees. In summary, you cannot deposit cash directly into a Relay Bank account, but you can still fund your account by first depositing cash into another bank and transferring it electronically. This is the most reliable and widely used approach by Relay business customers. If you are setting up Relay for your business and want to avoid cash-related issues, planning your cash flow strategy early will save you time and frustration. If this explanation helped you understand how to deposit cash into your Relay Bank account, consider subscribing for more clear and practical business banking guides.